esango zenuke beraz, ni Australiakoa naiz. Sydneyen bizi naiz.
I think there was a mistake made in the translation. Maybe it was me, how I explained it, or it could have been you. Who knows? Let's just keep on going. And I would like to say I'm from Australia. I don't live in Australia. I'm from Sydney. I don't live in Sydney. I live in the Basque Country and I'm learning Basque.
Esaldi hau esan nahi duzu. Ni Australiakoa naiz. Ez naiz Australian bizi. Sydneytarra naiz. Ez naiz Sydneyen bizi. Euskal Herrien bizi naiz. Eta euskara ikasten ari naiz. Hori da? Ondo ilertu badut?
Bai, ondo da, ondo eskerrik asko. Can you tell me a few of your favorite Basque songs?
Abesti gogokoen batzuk esan dizkizuk. Adibidez, gaur egungoetatik Berria Txarrak taldearen Denak ez gara berdinak asko gustatzen dait. Dio, denak ez gara berdinak. Eta hori da gure aberastasuna. Eta zarretatik, Benito Lertxundiren abestiak asko gustatzen daizkit. Esaterako, txoria txori, egoak ebaki mainizkio, dio, oso politak da.
Bai, can you sing it for me? Can you sing a little bit of the Mikel Laboa song about the chorilla and explain to people watching in English the meaning of that song?
Egoak ebaki mainizkio, neurea izango zen, baina txoria ezen izango, eta nik txoria nuen maite.
Let me know if you have any questions or different topics you'd like me to cover in the comments. Bye for now. Agur.
Eskerrik asko zuri ere. Nik ere pozik nago naiz. Bestea edozein zalantza baduzu, edo beste txerbaitik buruz hitz egin nahi baduzu, esan besterik.
And probably don't share any personal information with AI. Okay, bye for now. Agur ane. I turned the audio recording off, yet who knows? Probably it's still recording some way. Anyway, let's see if this is interesting to people out there, especially in the Basque Country. And my name's Jonathan McCallum. Please check out some of my other videos I have on this channel about things that I'm interested in. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.